Grammar satisfies CNF?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Either RHS should have exactly two non-terminals or a single terminal. So this is fine, right? So now grammar is there, sentence is there. So first step you have to draw a table. Draw the table. How many words are there? Give the numberings. Air is the first word, pilot is the second word, like is the third word, flying is the fourth word, plane is the fifth word. So 5 cross 5 matrix you draw. Table having 5 rows, 5 columns. Above the first column you write year and give column number 1. Whichever is displayed in the screen, first step you draw like this. Next, what you have to do after filling the table, can anyone explain next step what you have to do? So first I have the grammar, I have the sentence, and I have drawn a empty table, and I have written the words, and I have numbered the words given in the sentence. Next, what I have to, how to proceed?
Fill the
Name
data.
this X101.
X01. Give it as X01, X02, X03, X04, X05. You number it. I think that numbering is not there in the slide. If you have that, number it. And first thing you have to fill the diagonal. Okay. So to fill the diagonal column first. Fill the diagonal column. So diagonal column, how they have filled, see here. What is this first? X01. What is the word I have?
A.
A. For A, what is the rule given?
DT.
DT gives A. So I am giving DT. So first I am filling the diagonal columns. Okay. Second one, pilot. Pilot.
NN.
NN. Then third one, VBZ.
Likes.
Likes. Similarly for Y2 here, JJ and VBG. For flying, I have two tags, J and VBJ. So both I have written here, and last one is NNS for planes. So I have finished the diagonal part. Next, I have to fill the next diagonal. That is this, and this. So how to fill this NP? How you got NP? Can anyone tell me how for pilot you got NP?
We have to see for the rule where DT follows. DT followed by NN.
DT followed. So this NP for this, you have to see corresponding its left hand side and the corresponding down. So DT followed by NN. Is there any rule DT followed by NN? Is there? Yes. What is that? DT followed by NN, which gives NP. DT followed by NN? NP. So NP. I am filling this. Very good. Next, come to this box. Next diagonal, this box. Below likes, this where I am highlighting. So this box, what I have to consider? NN followed by
VBZ.
VBZ. Is there any rule NN followed by VPZ?
No rule.
No, ma'am.
No rule. So dash. I will explain for one thing. Remaining things you will have to follow. So come here for flying, this box. Can you tell me how to consider here? VPZ followed by
JJ or VBJ.
Wait. VPZ followed by JJ, VBJ, or VBZ followed by JJ, VBZ followed by VBJ. How to consider?
VBZ followed by JJ is
One possibility. Another possibility is VBZ followed by VBG. So any rule is there VBZ followed by JJ here?
No.
No. So no. Any other next combination VBZ followed by VBG? Any rule is there? VBZ followed by, please respond students. VBZ followed by VBG. Any rule is there?
No rule.
No, ma'am.
No. Dash. So I have a dash. Now come here. This I have to fill. So for this side and this side. So here two rules I have. So JJ with NNS. First I have to consider JJ with NNS. Any rule is there?
NP is JJ and
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so I have written NP as the top. Next one, BBG gives N followed by NNS. Anything is there?
VP.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
VP. So this is done. So second is that. So now come to third one. So for this, what is the first possibility? Can anyone tell me? NP followed by, say here I have two things here, here also two things here. So how I have to consider? How I have to consider for this one?
NP followed by BBG.
NP followed by BBZ or NP followed by dash. Here to this NP and dash has to be considered
Dash.
DT VP.
Yeah.
NP followed by dash. Anything is there? No. DT followed by VPZ. Anything is there? Next one. So here I have two. Here also I have two. So here I take first one of this side and first one of this side, and second one of the side and second one of the side, and I have to consider. So DT followed by VPZ. Anything is there? Please
No,
respond.
ma'am.
No.
No. So it becomes dash. So here also you are getting dash, like that you finish. And can you tell me how this VP you got it? VP. So first VP, how I have to take? Here two things. Here two things, right?
VBZ followed by NNS.
VBZ followed by NNS. We have one VP. Next one.
Ma'am, VBZ followed by NNS, we don't have anything.
VBZ followed by NNS is there, no?
It's VBG, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, correct. VBG. Sorry, second one. So how you got to VPs? Can you tell me? Which is the rule? Solve and tell me. It should be VPZ NP, VPZ VP. Yes or no? So you should take this first one with this first one and this one with this one every time. Okay. When you are writing, see, consider this box. For this box, I have two on this side and two on this side. So first one here, starting with here starting. So VPZ followed by NP. Anything is there?
VP.
VP. Then again VPZ with VP. VP. So this is done. Next, I am considering this box with this box. Dash NNS.
No, nothing.
Nothing. So this is done. So every time when you're taking, if you have more than one box to consider, first thing for this VP, this box, I have two on this side, LHS side, and two on down. So first box of this with first of this, and second of this with second of this you have to consider. Similarly, if you have three, accordingly you have to consider. Now for this box, can you tell me which one to consider?
DT and
VP. Sorry, DT with the dash. No, nothing is there. Next.
NP with dash.
NP with the dash, nothing is there.
Dash
Next.
by JJ or VBG.
Very good. Dash by JJ or dash by VBG, nothing is there. So it becomes dash. Similarly for this dash.
NNVP or NNVP?
NNVP, anything is there?
No.
No. Then
Dash NP
this,
or dash VP?
nothing is there. Next.
Dash NS.
Dash NNS. So nothing is there. So this becomes nothing. So now can you tell me here?
DT dash, there's nothing. And NPVP, NPVP.
NPVP, NPVP. So we get yes, 2S, S1, S2. Or yes, you can write. NPVP, I have yes. Again, NP with VP, I have yes. Next, dash with
NP,
Nothing is there. Next dash with NPVP, nothing is there. Next dash with
NNS.
NNS,
Nothing
nothing
is
is there. So this is this box. If you get derived yes, then we can say the given sentence is grammatical. And how many years you are getting, accordingly, we can decide the ambiguity of the sentence based on the given grammar. Is that fine? Tomorrow we'll solve few examples. Okay, I'll give some few problems. We will solve it. If you have any doubts, you can look into the video. It is already there in the post section. Is that fine? Can we leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, students. Thanks a lot for cooperating today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Because I was coming to college, I was traveling, so I couldn't able to make it. So since I had the video.